My dear student, today in this video, I want to revise the most popular property, proof of most popular property, and some problem based on the property. Minus a to a fx dx is equal to 2 times 0 to a fx dx if f minus x is equal to fx. And now, minus a to a fx dx is equal to 0 if f minus x is equal to minus fx, that is odd function. If f minus x is equal to fx, then f is called even function. If f minus x is equal to minus fx, then f is called odd function. So now I want to prove this property. And my advice to you is, you also must learn the proof. Minus a to a fx dx is equal to minus a to a fx a to 0 fx dx plus 0 to a fx dx. Now we consider this is I1 and this is I2. This function is combination of the sum of the interval of this function from minus a to 0 and 0 to a. So now we simplify I1. Minus a to 0 fx dx. Let x is equal to minus t. This is a very, very important point. We substitute the value of x is equal to minus t. Then dx is equal to minus dt. Now we change the limit. When x is equal to minus a, then t is equal to a. When x is equal to 0, then t is equal to 0. So now, minus a to 0 fx dx is equal to minus a to 0 f minus t dt. And it will be 0 to a f minus x dx. And it will be 0 to a f minus x dx. This is second. Now, adding first and second, we have minus a to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f minus x plus 0 to a fx dx. We have proved I1 is equal to 0 to a f minus x. So now, 0 to a f minus x plus fx dx. And it will be 2 times 0 to a fx dx when f minus x is equal to fx. This f minus x is equal to fx, then it is even function. If f minus x is equal to minus fx, then it is odd function. So, when fx is even, then its value will be twice 0 to a fx dx. If fx is odd, then its value is 0. So, my dear student, it is a very, very important property for multiple type of questions and for question of 2 marks also. Now, I want to discuss minus 1 to 1 some problems. Evaluate minus 1 to 1 3x square 1 plus 4 to the power 10x dx. We have minus 1 to 1 3x square dx 1 plus 4 10x. Applying property A to B f a plus b minus x is equal to dx. So we have minus 1 to 1 3x square 1 plus 4 minus 10x dx. So we apply this property. Now it will be twice I is equal to minus 1 to 1 3x square 1 plus 4 10x by 1 plus 4 10x. And after solving, it will be minus 1 to 1 x square dx. So twice I 3 times x cube by 3, that is x cube minus 1 to 1, and its value is 2. So 2i is equal to 2, I is equal to 1. Evaluate 0 to 2 pi, 3 to the power sin x 1 plus 3 to the power sin x dx. My dear student, let I is equal to 0 to 2 pi, 3 to the power sin x 1 plus 3 to the power sin x. We apply the property 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a fa minus x dx we have. Here, we apply the property. We consider I is equal to this much as equation 1, and by applying the property we consider 0 to 2 pi 3 sine 2 pi minus x, 1 plus 3 sine 2 pi minus x. So my dear student, so it will be 0 to 2 pi 3 to the power minus sine x, 1 plus 3 to the power minus sine x dx. On adding equation first and second, we have 1 plus 3 sine x by 1 plus 3 to the power sine dx. So now, after simplifying, we have 0 to 2 pi 1 plus dx, that is 0 to 2 pi, that is 2 pi, so I is equal to pi. Find the value of 0 to pi sine to the power 50x plus cos to the power 49x dx. My dear student, is a very, very important problem. And you can prove this problem by using the property 0 to a f a minus x is equal to 0 to a f x dx. So now sin 50x into sin 49x dx. Consider it is I. Now we apply property sin pi minus x to the power 50 cos pi minus x to the power 49 dx. So it will be I is equal to minus 0 to pi sin 50x and cos 49x. Adding first and second, we have I is equal to 0. Now, this problem number 4. Minus pi by 2 pi, minus pi of 4 to pi by 4, dx 1 plus cos x. So now, we will try to prove that this function is even or odd, so that we want to simplify it. This is dx by 1 plus cos 2x, dx by 2 cos square x. I is equal to 1 by 2 minus pi of 4 to pi of 4 sec square x. Since sec square x is even function, therefore its value is equal to half into twice 0 to pi of 4 sec square x dx. Now it will be I is equal to 10 0 to pi by 4. So now it will be 10 by 4 minus 10 0, that is 1. Evaluate the integral 0 to 2 pi 1 by 1 plus e to the power sine x dx. So now it is 0 to 2 pi dx 1 plus e to the power sine x. Now after applying the property 0 to a f x dx is equal to 0 to a f a minus x dx, we have I is equal to 0 to 2 pi dx by 1 plus e to the power sine 2 pi minus x, that is dx by 1 plus e to the power minus sine x. And after simplifying, it will be 0 to 2 pi e to the power sine x plus 1 plus e to the power sine x dx. So adding first and second, we have 0 to 2 pi 1 plus e to the power sine x by 1 plus e to the power sine x, 0 to 2 pi dx. So 2i is equal to x, 0 to 2 pi, so I is equal to pi. Evaluate 1 to 2 root x, root over 3 minus x plus root x dx. Let I is equal to 1 to 2 root x, root 3 minus x plus root x dx. By applying property a to b f x dx is equal to a to b f a plus b minus x dx, we have I is equal to 1 to 2 root over 3 minus x. A plus b, that is 1 plus 2, 3 minus x. 3 minus 3 minus x within the bracket plus 3 minus x. So it will be 1 to 2 root 3x. It will be root 3 minus x. Root x, root plus 3 minus x. Adding first and second, we have 2i is equal to 1 to 2, 1 into dx. 2i is equal to x, 1 to 2, that is I is equal to 1, I is equal to half. So my dear students, now we want to discuss problem number 6. It is very, very important. Pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx 1 plus root 10x. Pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx 1 plus root 10x. We simplify it up to some extent. Now it will in the form of pi by 6 to pi by 3 root cos x plus root cos x plus root sin x within the bracket dx. Applying property, we have a to b f a plus b minus x is equal to a to b f x. I is equal to pi by 6 to pi by 3 cos pi by 3 plus pi by 6 minus x dx, cos pi by 3 plus pi by 6 minus x plus sin pi by 3 plus pi by 6 minus x. So it will be root sin x by root sin x plus root cos x dx second. Heading first and second, we have 2i is equal to pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx, and it will be x pi by 6 to pi by 3. Pi by 3 minus pi by 6, that is pi by 6. So I is equal to pi by 12. So now my dear student, now I want to solve some more important problem. 0 to pi by 2 log 10x dx. Let I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log 10x dx. After applying property 0 to a f a minus x is equal to 0 to a f x dx. I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log 10 pi by 2 minus x dx. I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. Heading equation first and second, we have 2i 0 to pi by 2 log 10x plus log cot x dx. 0 to pi by 2 log 10x into cot x dx. That is 0 to pi by 2 log 1 dx. The value of log 1 is equal to 0. So I is equal to 0. So my dear students, in this way we solved some important problem. I hope it will be beneficial for you for the point of examination. So that's why I am uploading the solution of all these problems. Thank you. Thank you very much.